Imagine a motorcycle that gives amazing mileage, modern style, and trusted reliability, all in one affordable package. The 2026 Hero Splendor 105 cubic centimeters is not just another commuter bike. It is a daily partner built for people who want more from every mile. A fresh new look for 2026. The 2026 model comes with a cleaner, sharper design. The fuel tank has bold lines, the headlamp is brighter, and the side panels feel more premium than ever. It still looks simple, but now it feels modern and confident, perfect for riders who want style without showing off too much. Powerful yet fuel-friendly engine. At the heart of this bike is a 105 cubic centimeters refined engine. It is tuned for smooth rides in city traffic and long daily travel. The throttle response is soft and easy, making it perfect for beginners and experienced riders. Best of all, the fuel economy is excellent, helping you save money every single day. Comfort for every ride. The seat is wider and more comfortable, giving support even on longer rides. The suspension handles rough roads easily, so bumps and broken streets do not disturb your journey. The riding position is upright and relaxed, which reduces tiredness and back pain. Smart features that matter. The 2026 Hero Splendor 105 cubic centimeters comes with useful features like a digital analog meter, better braking system, and improved lighting. Everything is designed to be simple, clear, and practical. No confusing tech, only what you truly need. The perfect daily partner. If you want a motorcycle that is reliable, fuel efficient, easy to ride, and affordable to maintain, the 2026 Hero Splendor 105 cubic centimeters is built just for you. It is not made to impress the crowd. It is made to make your life easier every single day.